Namaste, I am Acharya Pratishtha. Recently, there was a question asked by so many viewers. Acharya ji, what should we do if we have marks on our face or any other part of our body? So marks can be of different types. It can be of pimples or acne. It can be stretch marks. It can be different kind of marks can be there, but there is one solution to these marks. One is, I had shared a complete video on skincare. Make sure I'm sharing the link of that video here. Make sure that you practice these kriyas every day if you want to have beautiful skin of your entire body. And other than practicing these practices, this is a 10 to 15 minutes of schedule which you can practice every day. So I don't think that this is something really which takes a lot of time. No, 10 to 15 minutes you can take out for yourself if you really want to be healthy. Other than that, take two soaked almonds and mash it completely. So 2 soaked almonds and 2 spoons of fresh cow milk, unboiled. Okay, 2 soaked almonds mashed and 2 spoons of raw cow milk and powder of orange skin. How you can make it? You can make it at home very easily. Just take the oranges, peel them off and dry this skin of orange and then mash it. It will be a powder, it will be in a powdered form. Keep it in a box and then you can add 2 spoons of powdered skin of oranges. So this is a complete mixture. Mix it properly and then take it and massage on your face or anywhere in your body wherever you have marks. Let it stay for 5 minutes, massage it, then let it stay for the next 10 minutes and then wash it. So this very simple technique can definitely help you in getting rid of any kind of marks on your face or any part of your body. If you have any query, you want us to give you answer to any of your health related query, any of your life related query, text us or send your feedback in the comment box below. We will try to make a video for you. Thank you. Dhanyavad. Hari Om. Jai Hind.